Hello guys. Today we're back building BooVAi website. We're continuing with designing. Let me check if we are live. Today we're back building. Yeah, we are, which is great. Let me put some music though. It's kind of boring without it. Oh. So, one moment. So, one moment. Okay, it's okay. Okay, so let me show you what we did yesterday. We designed pricing section, and yeah, I really like it. I also did this section yesterday, but yeah, it was late and I didn't finish it completely. You can observe that there is this section. I mean, this RGB, you can observe it. It is not smooth. I mean, you can observe this line, which is sharp and hard, and I don't really like it. We'll change that in a second. Moreover, we changed this section also a bit. I mean, you can observe that it is adapted to our website theme, which is great, but no city names, okay, at least country names. We'll implement this feature as well. Yeah, okay, let me continue with building this section first. So, put in the photo. Take a screenshot. Do you observe the RGB that is at the bottom? Basically, there is a hard line which is very sharp, and I don't like this transition. It must be smooth. Please go ahead and fix it. Yeah, we'll see what he will do. Just a few minutes. I really like this idea of Google Tabs, you know. I thought about it because he generated some results yesterday, but he didn't use any image. I mean, you should have hover on a variant here in order to see a photo, but now by default the photo is rendered already, which is good, and it even changes after a few seconds with this smooth line, which is great actually. Also, we should think about this pop-up menu. Actually, it looks pretty good, but I'll give it a try. Maybe he could do even better. We'll see in a few moments. First, let me see what he will do with this RGB line. I don't like that it is not smooth. You can observe in here that it goes very smoothly. Yeah, even here. Okay, this section it's not done yet. This also, but overall, all sections, even here you can observe there is some RGB in the background, but it is smooth. No hard lines. So I want to keep everything smooth and professional. That's the whole point. Yeah. Also, this section needs a bit of attention as well. They will do that also, but later, not now. I wanted to implement a feature. I mean, you can use the microphone, you see.
That's outside what I can help with here. I'm focused on helping you.
Yeah, but at the moment this AI bot is working only on local host. I mean, it's not local host, but it's local knowledge. I mean, it's not running on a model, you know. Before it was, but yeah, I thought about it, and it requires some investments, which I'm not able to make at the moment. And yeah, I switched from a real model. I guess it was on Gemini Flash 3.5, something like that, and I switched on local knowledge at the moment. So basically it will run only with local knowledge. But yeah, I built something crazy. Okay, my idea was a crazy one, you know. You press on get started and yeah, opens a menu where you select the service that you want, for example, a website. Then you start the AI consultation, and it should have redirect you on the second step, but because it is not connected to a real model, yeah, to a model, it skipped that step. Yeah, we'll think also about that. But I should give him a lot of knowledge. But before doing that, we should think about all of the plans, and here all of the services, and after that I should give him a lot of knowledge for each service individually. So it will require a lot of time, though, because imagine it is not running on a real model, it's local knowledge because of the cost. Even though I can run on Llama and leave my PC running 24/7, but yeah, it's not the best choice for me, to be honest. I mean, this is the free option, but if I choose to run on a Gemini model or even something more professional cloud, then yeah, I should choose the subscription one, and yeah, at the moment I don't see the point. Maybe in the future, if we'll have some more requests, if people will start to use the services, then why not? But at the moment it's not the right choice for me. So let me see, did he finish? The bug you reported is one instance. How wide do I go? All 5, 1 pass recommended. Fade inside its own box. Non-code, non-file. You reported the way test of the previous ones. Focus layer on. I understand what he means. Let me check a thing. Yeah, you can observe that this green section is the padding. I can see it in here. So basically he's going over the padding, and what he's trying to tell me is that this is a bug, and basically it goes over its section. Yeah, over this block. You can observe that the shadow, the RGB, is going over it. So that's what he's trying now to tell me, but
now optimize for AI. Use SEMrush 1 to claim and fuel your
I guess
visibility
if the
across
RGB will be
traditional
shorter,
and AI
I mean
search. Win every
somewhere
kind of search
around
with
here,
SEMrush 1.
and also have this smoothness, I guess it will look okay. And I still don't understand why did he made it. Why did he make it so long in here? I mean, compared to the left side and the upside. Yeah, let me choose the first variant, the first option. I don't like the music. One moment. Yeah, it's better now, I guess. So, what I want to do at the moment, I don't know if I'll have enough limit, but I guess so. I want to finish the whole homepage. Also, I really like this section, and also it was made custom. I saw on a website this feature, and I really liked it, and yeah, I'm inspired from there. Also, the footer needs to be recreated, because there are a lot of buttons that doesn't actually do nothing. But they don't do nothing. Yeah, sometimes when I'm thinking deep, I don't really think about the words. The showcase close, it's on particular, then the window. Go the box, keep the hell or recommended. Yes, if it's recommended, then go ahead. Let me check a thing. So, okay, let me check also what is he doing at the moment. It's reading one file, which is great. Did he deploy it? Actually, no, he didn't yet. Last deployment was 44 minutes ago. Okay. He's still fixing the bugs. Okay. what can we add in here other than the country's name? I don't know, we'll see. It has the required skills, you know. About the pop-up, yeah, it's bugged. You see, when I press on the photo to preview it, it opens the photo, but yeah, it's behind the pop-up, which is not great actually. Okay, what? So it will be logical when I press on it on this project to open the pop-up only, but it also opens the photo.
GoDaddy has the perfect domain name to go with it. It
Oh,
only
no,
takes
it
a
doesn't
few minutes
actually.
to
It
register
is
one
because
with over
it is
500
bugged.
extensions to choose.
So corrected scope, only 2 of the 5 produce a visible line. All 5. So this is done, this is done. Okay, these sections are done. But about this panel also I should change it, because it's not the current one. Yeah, I'll show you in a couple of minutes what I mean. Did he finish? He didn't yet. You know what? I'll use another terminal in order not to waste time, because he already has some knowledge. He already understands the design language on the website, because I have a file that is integrated in here. So let me clear this terminal, I guess. Okay, so let me tell him right now to think about something more crazier in this section. Maybe something you could interact with. You see this section? I want you to make it even more crazier. I want you to add some interactions so the user could interact with some items. I don't know, think about it, but make it professional and stunning. I need the design to be unique. Also, what can we add in here? Also, you can add the country's name. Think about it, but yeah. He should make everything professional. I can't imagine at the moment something else in this section. I don't know. mean, I really like the map that is behind these dots. Mm. Did he finish? No, he didn't yet with this one. Nor he did deploy it yet. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to write something in the chat. What are we reading? I've got the lay of the land but not the subject. The testimonial sections. Okay, says a segment is actually the testimonial. Wait, what? Yeah, we got a problem. Probably misunderstood, or I gave him the wrong screenshot. I'm not sure. But why would he kill the testimonials then? Okay, I understand that it's something about Europe unfair commercial practice. We should inform about that. I told you it's about this section at the moment. Let me give him the screenshot. So okay, no ADR, not very high visually. Okay, it fails 2 or 3 tests. Make what does the label on this map actually assess this typical render? Time zones, not place. Recommended. The visitor's own country, both 1 and 3 together. So it wants to combine the time zones with the visitor's own country, or country names if you ask. Time zones, not places. Recommended. Actually, this idea is kinda nice. I didn't hear about this yet, about the time zones. I've seen about the countries though. Okay, let's try time zones. It's interesting. But you see, he didn't deploy um, this request. If everything is done, please deploy it. Oh god. Forbids anything load bearing behind the hover. Your first reflex will be to scroll away rather than hover. I mean, this is right, yeah. I remember I told him yesterday about this.
I like
But,
making my podcast. I don't like making short clips
Scrum the
of my
day.
podcast. So the AI chooses the best clips, like maybe this one.
Right now?
Yeah, because it knows what's important. And it
Actually,
actually
this is
gives
a
you
good
a
idea.
score
My
based
bad
on
about the ad.
Lights are red and there's sweat on your embrace. One other thing I dare. Lights are out and there's time to your embrace.
Okay, he told them that he pushed.
Lights are red and there's sweat on your
Okay, let me check.
One other thing I dare. Lights are out and there's time to your
Yeah, now it's much better, you see. It is smooth, which is good. Okay, he also fixed in here, because when I did scrolling here, it also was a hard section, very sharp and professional. And also you can observe, 1 second, I mean there is some space. For example, yeah, you can observe in here. We should pick this as well, I guess. What about the pop-up? Etherpon. What is a node now? Place or a zone? Keep coordinate. Label the zone only. I'll go with the first one. You see some projects. You see some projects are not fully covered with this black blur. Are not fully covered with this black blur. I mean, there is a small part which is visible and it's not professional. I need you to fully extend the black blur, so in this way everything will be pleasant and the user experience will remain professional. Maybe it's barely visible, to be honest, but and this happens especially when I hover on a project. When I hold my cursor on a project. Of course, when I release it, that bar is loading and wait, what? No way. This happens especially when I hover on a project, when I hold my cursor on a project. So please think about it and fix this problem. Does the map know where the reader is? So what happens to the art?
Jack it up.
Make them mean something. Recommend it, okay. Is he doing that clock or what the hell? Okay, we'll see if he fixed this bug. Okay, it's visible on this project especially, you see. On this one it's barely visible, but on this one it's kind of visible. Okay, next let's continue with the pop-up. The headline stays or sharpens. And what does the live readout say? I'll go with the first option. What about the pop-up? I need you to make everything inside it look more professional and stunning. Please think about it. Make a complete redesign. Make it look crazy. So the user will feel a premium experience, and also will one maybe one part, I don't know. Yeah, I think it's enough premium experience. What gets written down alongside the code? Yeah, let's go with the recommended one. I don't know. What? It is already done. Yeah, build it, please. Model layout. This is the lever that use both dev zones. Let's do it cinematic. I want something unique, especially for the project, for the portfolio. Let me check the usage. Oh god, we're almost out. But at 20 put and 10 sets, which is good actually. I think we'll be good by then. Let me take a look at the website. What we will do after that. So testimonials. Practically ask questions. Okay, and a CPA. So the footer. Then we have. Okay, I think I'll remove this button feature because it doesn't make any sense. It just overloads the navigation. Okay, we have about us. It looks pretty good and pretty minimalistic, though. I'll think about it. Actually, it does look pretty good, to be honest. The contact page. Yeah, we should put in some working here. It's too big, but this contact form alongside with the text from the right side. And we're done with the front end. Oh god, wait. We also have products. Yeah, but this page looks nice. Wait 1 second. 1 second. Was 149. So let's take a look what we built. This is okay. It looks nice, but what is this line? I don't know. We'll see. I like it at the moment. So let's push and I'll see how it looks on the live version. Do we still have some usage left?
I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back
14%.
home.
You've got a great idea. GoDaddy has the perfect domain name to go with it.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass.
Yeah, next we'll do the logic,
Call me a shooting star.
but I'll show you after we finish the content first.
Line up in a bar. Wish on a star.
My limit resets in a couple of minutes, which is great because we'll have the opportunity to continue the live.
I said I'm moving too far.
So
Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I'd be big in the game like she went and got them breast
looks
implants.
pretty
I said I'm
good.
moving too fast. Didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you
but
had
what is
swag like
this?
mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We are hating
Oh, these are the photos, okay. So this is the other project, and the photos of each project individually. It does consume a lot of tokens though, I can't understand why. I mean, I'm using some skills, and when I was on anti-gravity, it didn't consume as much. Oh god. It is absorbing the tokens.
I'm moving too far. Get to glass.
Oh my god. What model I'm using though? It's Opus. Stop, oh god. Wait 1 second, please. Oh yeah, I'm out. 15 minutes. I can't understand why it's absorbing the tokens so fast. Yeah, he didn't push nothing yet. But actually it was the time for a complete redesign, to be honest. Yeah, 15 more minutes to go. Yeah, and I don't have nothing to do at the moment. So basically, I think the best idea will be to end the live stream. And I'll continue designing the rest of the sections. And yeah, maybe at 5 p.m. or somewhere around there, we'll make another live stream. Maybe my friend will. I'm not sure about that. We'll see. Maybe we'll continue with the renting system. If I'll finish all the front-end design, all the sections, I'll try to. But I'm not sure. Yeah, because the limit is absorbing, and I think I should check some things. Maybe the skills are not working properly. I don't know. I'll see about that in a couple of minutes. So thank you for watching our live stream, and yeah, we'll be back today. We'll see when, but we'll be back. See ya.